Hey there. If you've ever wanted to copy a bunch of data about some calendar events from an email, from a PDF, from a web page, and get them into Calendar really quickly, have I got a solution for you. No more manual copy and pasting. You can now use AI to do this with Ask Steve. So the easiest way to create a one-click AI scraper button for your calendar in Ask Steve is just to go to Google Calendar, and then I'm going to go back to May here, click the Ask Steve side panel, Tools, and then click on New. It's going to auto-detect that I'm on Google Calendar and ask me if I want a scraper for Calendar. I'm going to say yes. If I haven't already connected my Google Calendar account, it's going to ask me to do so. This is a one-time thing where I need to give Ask Steve permissions. And then when I'm done, it'll say, go back to your dock and press the New button again. So let's go ahead and press the New button again and auto create our tool. And there we go. There's our tool created. And we can see right now I've got nothing on May in these two calendars, my events calendar and my music calendar. So let's go add some events. So here I am in an email with a couple of events happening on May 20th and 22nd. I'm going to highlight those two and hit that button. I get to decide what calendar I want to put it into. I'm going to say the events calendar and click OK. And what it's going to do is take that information off the web page, parse it into the right format in AI, and then add these two items to my calendar. Now I've got a music calendar. Let me pick some concerts that are upcoming in the area happening on May 9th, 16th, and 25th. Press my button, say add it to my music calendar, and now the same thing will happen. It'll scrape all that content and throw it into my music calendar. So now if I go back here, what I'll see momentarily, here, let me reload the page, is I've got that Wallace concert, I've got Fresh Grass, and then I've got the Hippocampus concert as well. And, let's say I'm on an event page here for like some event. I can do the same thing. Just press the button, say I want to add this event, which is happening on May 14th. And then just like that, it's getting written out. And if I go back to my calendar, there it goes. It just appeared on May 14th. So that easy to scrape content into your calendar. And you can either, by default, it's going to ask you what calendar you want to go into. But if we go look at the tool itself, we can decide I always want it to go into a particular calendar. So I can say events, and then it won't ask me. It'll just automatically go into events. Or if I want the flexibility to put stuff into multiple calendars, I can say ask me when I run it. It will ask me at runtime. Now the prompt here you can look at, I wouldn't change a whole lot because it's configured specifically to be able to write the data that you need for Google Calendar. And so if you have any questions, let us know in our user community, but otherwise give it a try and try it. It works on PDFs, it works on emails, it works on web pages, and grab that content and write it into your calendars and save yourself a bunch of time. Thanks.